Today we will discuss about the average speed. In the last class we have already discussed about the three conditions, and today the next conditions. What is the average speed? Suppose a boat can row at a speed of x km per hour, in still water, and the speed of the stream is y km per hour. Okay, in still water the speed of the boat is x km per hour and the speed of the stream is y km per hour. The boat goes d kilometer downstream in t1 hours. How many hours? T1 hours. And covers the same distance means d kilometer up that the downstream and this upstream same distance in t2 hours. The time is now different. First one is t1, second one is t2 hours. Then t1 is equal to what? What will get t1? Time is equal to formula, time is equal to distance by speed. That formula you have to apply. So t1 is equal to what? D by x plus y, and t2 is equal to what? D by x minus y. Total distance upstream is d, downstream also d, so d plus d is twice d. Total time upstream t1, downstream t2, so t1 plus t2. So average speed is total distance by total time, so 2d by t1 plus t2. Put the values of t1 and t2 from here. If we put the values of t1 plus t2, t1 is d by x plus y, t2 is d by x minus y, and we will get the relation x, y and x. Okay, so average speed is this downstream speed, this downstream speed plus into upstream speed, downstream speed into upstream speed divided by speed of the still water, speed in the still water. That condition you have to remember. This is the formula, average speed. Or we can remember in this way, x square minus y square by x square minus y square by x. That way also you can remember. Okay, average speed is equal to what? X square minus y square by x. Directly we can put the values. Now see the question, and it will be, if we solve the questions, then it will be easy for understand the concept. What is the question given? See, find the average speed of a boat in round trip between two places 20 km. The distance is 20 km. D is equal to 20 km. Okay, apart. If the speed of the boat in still water is 10 km per hour and the speed of the stream is 5 km per hour, that means what? Here x is equal to, given x is equal to 10 km, that is round trip, x is equal to 10 km per hour, and y is equal to what? 5 km per hour. So average speed, it does not depend upon the distance. It will depend upon these two things. Average speed, what is the formula? X plus y into x minus y by x kilometer per hour. So x plus y, that is 10 plus 5 into 10 minus 5 divided by 10 kilometer per hour. No need to multiply. 10 into 5 is 10 plus 5 15, 15 into 5 is 75 by 10. No need to cut it, just direct divide. It is one decimal point, 10 after 1 is 10, so 7.5 kilometer per hour. So this is the average speed. Okay, so this you have to solve the question. Next point, see, if a boat takes t1 hours, if a boat takes t hours to row to a certain place d kilometer apart and return back, then the average speed, what is the average speed? Total distance by total time. Total distance is up and down, so d, one is up, one is down, total distance twice d, so twice d by t. Okay, so x plus y into x minus y by x is equal to 2d by t. So d is equal to, how to find out the distance? D is equal to t into x plus y into x minus y by twice x. Or you can write in this way, distance between two places, d is equal to x square minus y square by twice x. This way you have to remember the formula. t into x square plus y, x square minus y square by twice x. And if the boat takes t hours in going upstream and going downstream for the covering the same distance d, then t2 minus t1 is equal to difference between the time is t, and put the values, and if then d is equal to what, t into x square minus y square by twice y. It is going upstream and downstream for the covering the same distance, and t hours row certain place distance apart from the return backs and the average speed, the distance is this one. So that is the cases. Let's see some two related to this conditions. What may be the problem asks. A boat can row at the speed of 8 km per hour. A boat can row at the speed of 8 km per hour in still water. If the river is flowing at 4 km per hour and it takes 16 hours for a round trip, find the distance between the two places. D we need to find out. So what are given solution here? X is equal to 8 km per hour, y is equal to 4 km per hour, and t is equal to 16. T is equal to how much? 16 hours. What do we need to find out? We know that d is equal to what? T into x square minus y square by what? Twice x. 16 into 8 square minus 4 square divided by 2 into 8. Calculate this, how much we will get? 2 into 8, 16, 16, 16 cancel, so 8 square minus 4 square. 64 minus, that is 48. Hence distance between two places km. Okay, this is the distance. Next question, see question number 6, or this question number 6. A swimmer whose speed in swimming pool, that means still water is 4 km per hour. Okay, between the two points in the river and return back to the starting point, he took 10 minutes more to cover the distance upstream than the downstream if the speed of the stream is 2 km per hour. The speed of the stream is 2 km per hour. Okay, so what are given here? Given x is equal to 4 km per hour, y is equal to 2 km per hour, t is equal to 10 minutes expressed in terms of hours. So 10 by 60 hours, that is 1 by 6 hours we can take. So we know that d is equal to, what? T into x square minus y square by twice y. Put the values. T is 1 by 6 x square means 4 square minus 2 square into twice y, 2 into 2 kilometer. (16 minus 4, 12), and then 6, 24 kilometer, that is 0.5 kilometer. Hence the distance between 2 points is equal to 0.5 kilometer. This is the answer. So this way you have to solve the question. Okay, hope all of you understand the things. So these are the conditions of streams and boats. Whatever the questions may comes, only in these conditions the questions will come. So if we can understand the conditions, we know the formula, and we can easily use the formula and we have to solve the problem. Hope all of you understand. If any doubt, let me know. I'll try to my best to clear your concept. Thank you. Have a nice day.